Welcome. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to create your very own Discord account. Whether you're joining to chat with friends, find new gaming buddies, or explore various communities, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already, head over to the Google Play Store and download the Discord app. It's quick and easy to install, so you'll be ready to go in no time. Once you've got the app on your device, open it up and look for the Register button. This will kick off the process of setting up your account. Now, it's time to fill in some essential information. Enter your email address, create a unique username that represents you, set a strong password, and don't forget to enter your date of birth. Accuracy is important, so double-check your entries before moving forward. Next, you'll need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. This is crucial to understanding how your data will be handled and ensuring a safe experience. Once you've read through everything, simply tap Next to proceed. Finally, you're almost there. Discord will send a verification link to the email address you provided. Head over to your inbox, find that email, and click on the link to confirm your account. This step is vital for getting full access to all the features Discord has to offer. And there you have it. You're all set to start your journey on Discord. Enjoy chatting, gaming, and connecting with others in your new community. Thanks for watching, and happy Discording.